Welcome to our channel NG Lectures. In this video, we will perform vector operations in scientific calculator. Okay, so we will perform all these operations: dot product, cross product, magnitude of a vector, addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication, angle between two vectors. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to first give these two vectors as inputs to this calculator. Okay, on the calculator now. For giving vectors, these two vectors to the calculator, so press on mode button, select vector option. We will store the vector a in vector a. Okay, here we have three variables I, j, k. So we will select first option. We will give the inputs of the matrix, sorry, we will give the inputs of the vectors here: 2 3 minus 4, 2 3 minus 4. Okay, at vector a is stored. Now we will store vector b. Again same process, press mode button, 8 for vector, select vector b, second option. Okay, again three variables here also. Give the inputs. What are the inputs? -1, 5, 6. Okay, -1, 5, 6. So two vectors a and b are stored in the calculator. Now we will perform these operations. First, what we will perform? First we will perform dot product of two vectors. Okay, press shift plus 5. Here we will see the vector option on number 5. So press shift plus 5. We will get these operations. So first select vector a, third. Now again shift plus 5, dot. Here we see the dot option. So press 7. Now second one is b. Press again shift plus 5. Select 4 for vector b. So we will get the expression vector a dot vector b. We will get -11. So what is dot product of these two vectors? -11. Now we will see the cross product. Simply replace this dot with multiplication symbol. Delete, replace with multiplication. We will get 38 I cap, okay, -8 j cap plus 13 k cap. Okay friends, so dot product and cross product are finished. Now we will see magnitude of vector a. Okay, to perform magnitude, press shift plus, here we see the abs, absolute value. Okay, shift plus hypotenuse h by p. If you press this button, we will get abs. For which vector a, we have to find the magnitude. So again press shift plus 5 and select vector a. We will get the magnitude as 5.38. Okay, now we will see the addition of two vectors. Press shift plus 5, select vector a, plus shift 5 again, select vector b. We will get the addition of two vectors. What is nothing but I cap plus 8 j cap plus 2 k cap. A bar plus b bar. Now we will see subtraction. Again same process, shift 5, select vector a. Instead of plus we will select minus, shift 5, select vector b. Okay, which is nothing but 3 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 10 k cap. Okay, now we will see the scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication means multiplication of a vector by constant number. Suppose we will multiply the a by 5. When we multiply the vector a with 5, what we will get? 5 into this whole vector is multiplied by 5, which is nothing but 5 into 2, 10 I cap, 5 into 3, 15 j cap, minus 5 into 4 minus 20 k cap. Now we will perform this operation in the Calci. So for that, for which number we are multiplying? For with 5. Okay, 5 again press shift, sorry, into shift 5, select vector A. Okay, now same value 10 I cap, 15 j cap, minus 20 k cap. Okay, now we will see how to find the angle between two vectors. Okay, we know the formula for finding the angle between two vectors, which is nothing but cos theta is equal to a dot b by modulus of a into, sorry, magnitude of a into magnitude of b. When we bring this cos to the right side, we will get theta is equal to cos inverse a dot b divided by magnitude of a into magnitude of b. Okay, now we have to calculate this value to get the angle between two vectors. So here we have only sine, cos, tan, we don't have inverse. So for that we will press shift and again cos inverse. You see here, no, cos inverse. What is the a dot b? We already calculated that. What is the value? Minus 11 divided by what is magnitude of a? 5.38 plus, sorry, into magnitude of b. We didn't calculate the magnitude of b, so we'll calculate now. So press shift plus hypotenuse. So vector b. Okay, shift 5, select vector b. Now we will get the angle, which is nothing but 105 degrees. Okay, so these are the operations we can perform using the Calci. Friends, if you found this video helpful, please like the video. It means a lot for us, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.